Hey guys, welcome to a new historical hairstyling video. We are going back to ancient times today with this authentic ancient Greek hairstyle from 500 BC. I will talk more about where I found it, what it is, and everything as the video progresses, so I'm gonna keep this intro short and snappy. Let's jump straight into it. One of the most important things about this hairstyle are the curls, the hair texture, so I'm going to start by curling my hair, and for that I'm going to be using the smallest curling iron I own, which is this one right here, and I am just going to curl all of my hair. But before I do that, I'm going to spray my hair with some heat protector, give it that little bit of extra protection. Preferably we're going to want some curls that are as tight as possible. The very best would be to get straight spiral curls, so I am going to pin my curls up when I finish them, so I have my little box of pins here that I can use to clip my hair up with. I'm not going to be too fussy about the placement and direction of the curls, so I am just going to start on top and curl all of my hair from there. It's going to be the easiest way to do it. But as I am curling my hair, I'm going to make sure to wrap it flat around my curling iron, again to get that bit of a spiral curly curl. Oh, by the way, I usually get questions about the gloves that I use when I do this. This is a heat protectant glove, usually comes with curling wands, or at least the ones that I have come with the curling wands I use. So when I finish a curl, just gonna pinch it, take a little duckbill clip and clip it down. And I'm just gonna go all around my head like this, curl all of my hair. It's gonna take a while, so I will just come back when it's finished. All my hair is now curled. So while I'm waiting for that to cool down and set into these little spiral shapes, I wanted to take a little bit of time to talk to you about today's sponsor, because this video is kindly sponsored by Luisa Jewelry, and I am actually very excited to announce that I have become an official ambassador for Luisa. I am really excited to be partnering with them more long term. I have been working with them for a while now, as I'm sure you guys know, and it's a brand I'm really happy to support. Luisa make absolutely beautiful, minimalist, dainty jewelry. And they are very focused on sustainability, so their jewelry is made out of recycled gold and they only use lab-grown diamonds. I'm losing a curl here. Just pinning that back up. I really value when brands consistently take steps towards becoming more environmentally friendly and more sustainable. And even just over the course that I have been working with Louise in the past, I have noticed that their packaging and the way they sent their boxes has changed. And they have introduced the lab-grown diamonds, so you can really see that they are taking steps towards becoming even more sustainable, which is absolutely fantastic. But besides all of that, the pieces that they make are just incredibly beautiful. I'm wearing all pieces from Luisa today. Necklaces here, let me just, these are so pretty. This one I think is my most worn necklace at the moment. I wear it all the time, it goes with everything, I just love it. I have some bracelets. This one is new, I believe. It's fairly new in their collection as well. It's a very dainty little link with these two slightly bigger links. Their pieces are all amazing quality as well. Some of them I've had for quite a while now and I don't have any signs of wear on any of them. They're just really nice and durable. And their pieces start at only $49, so it's actually, as far as jewelry goes, for this type of quality, it's really affordable. And I also recently got this super beautiful rose gold piece with flowers. A beautiful bracelet, love it. Can't wait to wear this. I'm really excited to share more about them in the upcoming few months, but let's move on with the hairstyle now. I'm gonna take out my clips, let down my curls, and hope that they have set well. I found the hairstyle that I'm doing today in Richard Corson's Fashions in Hair, which I call my hair bible. It is a history of hairstyling. It goes all the way from early civilizations up to the 60s, I'm pretty sure, and it just features so many different examples of hairstyles. It's been the single most useful resource I have on hairstyling. So I found this hairstyle in the section on ancient Greek hairstyling, and this is actually the reference for this one was an article by A. Kuster, I think would be the right pronunciation. I found the article online. It's on JSTOR, but I don't have access to JSTOR anymore. which is sad. But basically there's a description of this particular hairstyle in there. The article, I believe, is called something along the lines of ancient Greek hairstyling as well. This hairstyle is described in quite a bit of detail with an illustration in Fashions of Hair, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it is very wearable, should be quite easy to do, and I just wanted to recreate it, so that is why we are here today. Something I didn't consider is that by doing spiral curls, I have made my hair much shorter than I think would be fit for that period. So I'm just gonna go ahead and ruin them again. If your hair is much longer, by all means go for spiral curls. I do feel like I maybe need a little bit more length. I'm just combing them through with my fingers. The most important feature of this hairstyle is the fact that there is no parting. The hair is combed all around from the crown. So like that, and then held down by one ribbon and a second ribbon, which then has the front hair wrapped around it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. I don't think there is much more that I can explain about this, and I hope that by curling my hair I have given it enough texture for the ribbon to actually stay in. If not, I will have to cheat and help using some bobby pins. I'm gonna slide a ribbon over my hair, and then another one a bit lower down. And the second ribbon, the lowest one, you want that to actually sit on your forehead, because the ancient Greeks, for the most part, they really liked low forehead, low hairlines, so their hairstyles were kind of made to make the hairline look as low as possible. So very often they would dress the hair over the forehead. I'm just tying the ribbons into a bow in the back, by the way. Not sure how accurate that is. I couldn't find anything about how this would have been tied, but I'm just gonna assume. And if it's not accurate, then at least it's pretty. So now I'm gonna split the hair in the front, being careful not to create a parting here. And I am going to start wrapping this hair around that ribbon, the lower ribbon. And you kind of just want to softly pull the hair away from the face by wrapping it around that ribbon. Again, be sure to keep it nice and low. And I'm gonna go back to behind the ear, approximately. And that's where I'm gonna stop. Same thing on this side. And I must say, the curls really help with this, kind of helping the hair to roll back and stay back. Okay, this one isn't staying. I'm gonna just slide in a little hairpin here to help this stay down a bit more. Both my hair and my ribbon are much more slippery than they would have been in ancient Greek times, so I feel like this is justified. There, now you can see that I cheated with bobby pins. I am going to go back to these back curls and just have them clumped together a little bit more so that they form more individual curls. And then I get at least a little bit of that spiralness back. So I don't want this to be too fluffy. There is the hairstyle inspired by an authentic 500 BC ancient Greek hairstyle. I actually think this is surprisingly wearable, so I really hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, guys. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. Don't forget to check out Anna Luisa jewelry. I will have their link in the description box below. Thank you so much, Anna Luisa, for sponsoring today's video and making me your ambassador. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!